Okay, let's see the solution for this question. So the question is, there are some alphabets, and for those alphabets I have to assign these numbers, okay, such that y should be an even number and w is a number which is divisible by number u and number y, and the number v plus z is equal to x, and v should be the smallest. Okay, so I have to assign such that I satisfy all these conditions. Okay, now let's see this condition. So if I see this condition, v is the smallest. So among this set, the smallest is 1. So I'm going to put 1. Okay, so that's the smallest. Okay, now y is an even number, right? So if y is an even number, then what are the possible y values? So I can have 2 or 4 or 6, right? So this y belongs to a subset of this set, which is 2, 4 and 6. Okay, fine. Now let's see this condition. So let's see this condition. In this condition, say I assign a value for w, and that number should be divisible by u and y. Okay, if it is divisible by other numbers, then what I can say about w is w should not be a prime number. Okay, if w should not be a prime number, what are the possible values for w? I could say 1, 4 and 6, right? But I have already assigned 1 for v, so I have to write the remaining letters, numbers 4 and 6. Okay, let me do this. Okay, got some room. Now if okay, my w is equal to 4, okay, then what I can say about y? So only 2 is the 4 is divisible by 2, right? Among this set, I can say the 4 is divisible by 2, so that will lead me to assign a value to y as 2. And what can I say about u now? In that case, I could say u is equal to 1. Okay, but I have assigned 1 already for the letter v, right? So I can't have this way of assigning, so which means that leads to the statement that w equal to 4 is not possible. Okay, so this is not possible, so the w has to be 6. Okay, so the w has to be 6, so I'm gonna put 6. Okay, if w has to be 6, then let's say if w is equal to 6, then what can I say about y? Well, I can say about y is equal to 2 and u is equal to 3. So that's the number with which I can divide this w, right? So it's 3. So now these are the numbers. Let me assign these numbers. So y is equal to 2 and u is equal to 3. Okay, so these two numbers are yet to identified. Okay, so from this equation, what I can say is, so from this I can say z is smaller than x. Okay, so the remaining numbers are 4 and 5. Among that, the smallest number I have to assign to z, right? So which is 4. Okay, and in that case x should be 5. So that's the solution. So this is the solution. Okay, thank you.